Hello, I'm excited to show you this new workflow where you can utilize Ideate BIMLink through Ideate Automation to update Revit family files, including batch updating and creating parameters. You can do this same workflow in projects, and that's covered in another video. To get started, point the task to the library path containing your families. The task will automatically scan all the subfolders in that directory and process each family it finds. The name of the folder will become the default task name. It's important to note that this task took 3 minutes. Each family within the folder will be opened and updated with a results indicator. Cloning a previously run task reveals the user choices within the script. The task prompts you to either select an entire folder or choose a specific RFA files you'd like to process. The new data management folder includes sample content to get you started with data import. Inside, you'll find an Excel file used for importing data, along with BIMLink link definition configured for import. Let's take a look at the Excel file. You can use it as a starting point and customize it to suit your needs. As you can see, the ID column contains new, signaling to BIMLink to create these parameters in the families. The shared ID column can either be copied from shared parameter text files or exported from another family using BIMLink. From there, you can set up all other information related to these parameters, including formulas and preset values. The additional options toggle enables the generation of a detailed report, summarizing the parameters that were added or those that encountered errors during the task. This report is automatically saved in your Documents folder by default, providing a clear record of the import process. This is the final result of the import. All RFA families in the selected folder now include the new parameters and their values, such as the shared ID, parameter name, grouping, data type, usage type, formula, and value.